Hey, hello and welcome to the channel guys. So today in this video we're gonna talking the top 10 most expensive sunglasses in the world. Sunglasses are functional and stylish additions that you can implement your day-to-day fashion. Its basic use is to protect our eyes from sunlight. However, over the years its function has evolved. In fact, there are celebrities out there who manage to build an image using their sunglasses. Sunglasses are usually associated to rock stars and actors. Designers have been able to create different kinds of sunglasses for different people. However, not all sunglasses are cheaper. There are those expensive sunglasses that you may not be within your budget. The sunglasses are known only for their use in protecting one's eyes, but it can even be a way to elevate one's status. These expensive sunglasses were made not only for the average customer but for high-end clients in the fashion world. Designers like Bulgari and Dolce & Gabbana are among the top players that have made these expensive sunglasses. So without any further delay, let's jump to our number 10. In number 10 in our list here comes Cartier Paris 18 karat gold sunglasses. The usual sunglasses are either made of metallic frame or plastic. However, things are a bit different when you deal with the most expensive versions of these fashion accessories. These sunglasses are embedded with things that cost a fortune, but does it stop people from buying ones? Not really. One example of which is the Cartier Paris 18K gold sunglasses. This luxury item is pegged at $25,000. Come to think of it, that's enough to get you a car. This is one of the most expensive sunglasses in the market today. With frame made of 18K gold, it is something that makes you look shiny, especially on special events. Aside from the fact that its main use of gold frame, it also has diamonds. These diamonds are cut and crafted by Cartier Paris to make their item elegant. In number 9 in our list here comes Lugano Diamond sunglasses. Lugano Diamonds is an established luxury brand for jewelry. The company was built in 1974. Who wouldn't be surprised if they enter the sunglasses business with a bang? Once they decide to create their own sunglasses, they decide to hire one of the top designers known in the fashion industry. They hired Barton Pereira, a fashion designer in the fashion industry. With the help of Pereira, Lugano was able to create one kind of sunglasses. With his experience in the fashion industry, he's been able to create a one kind of luxury sunglasses for the brand that made it in our list. What made Lugano Diamond sunglasses different from competition is the fact that each design is unique. For instance, they integrate gold and silver on different designs. Other materials that made the sunglasses unique including leopard prints and even black diamonds. Those sunglasses cost around $27,000. Over the years, the design have been most popular among the elite in the fashion industry. In number 8 in our list here comes Gold and Wood 119 diamond glasses. Another item that made it in our list of expensive sunglasses is Gold and Wood 119 diamond sunglasses. Just how much does a diamond cost? What if you have 119 diamonds integrated in your sunglasses? Unlikely the ordinary designs in the market, Gold and Wood made this piece of luxury item, special items that you don't usually see on functional glasses. As the name suggests, it made use of diamonds embedded in the sunglasses. According to the company, they hired a master jeweler in order to make their item. But other than the diamonds, another thing that made this item expensive is the craftsmanship involved in making the luxury item. These sunglasses are available for $30,000. In number 7 in our list here comes Bulgari Parentesi diamond sunglasses. Bulgari is a popular brand established in 1884. Originally from Rome, Bulgari has been able to deliver some of the best items including luxury bags, wallets and now sunglasses. More recently, their venture in the sunglasses industry has been received well by customers worldwide. And what do you really expect from a luxury brand? What made the Bulgari diamond sunglasses interesting is the fact that only 10 pairs were released by the brand. Each pair is sold for almost $31,000. The traditional gold used by Bulgari in the frame is also something that is worth mentioning. It made use of gold as well. In number 6 in our list here comes Bentley Platinum sunglasses. Bentley has been known for its luxury vehicles. As a reputable company in the automotive industry, it has been able to build a name associated with class and sophisticated designs. One of the newest ventures that the company explored recently was the sunglass market. They design sunglasses that can complement the cars that they are making. Within this in mind, you could expect sophisticated designs that not everyone can really afford. However, unlike the other types of sunglasses sparkling with diamonds and gold, this isn't the case with the Bentley Platinum sunglasses. Its design is mind-blowing with a shocking price tag. Pair cost around $45,000. In number 5 in our list here comes Gold and Wood 253 diamond sunglasses. Another Gold and Wood sunglasses made in our list the most expensive sunglasses. Unlike the 119 diamond sunglasses, who would thought that it could be get more over the top than 100 plus diamonds placed on a sunglass. Golden Wood came up with the 253 diamond sunglasses embedded into a sunglass. This piece of luxury item is something that you can buy for $55,000. Is it something worth it? For someone who appreciates diamonds, this could be something interesting. What made this pair of sunglasses unique in this inclusion of 22 Princess Core Diamond? This is the second most popular shape of diamond. For diamond lovers, this makes this item a precious accessory that they can wear on special occasions. In number 4 in our list here comes Bulgari Flora sunglasses. Next up in our list of most expensive sunglasses is Bulgari Popular Flora sunglasses. What made this item so special is the fact that it was made by the popular luxury brand. Also, it is something that is both classy in formal occasions and can be stunning when you need to look your best. The price tag of this particular item is $59,000. For this particular item, it could easily complement wearing suit and tie on formal occasions. What made it so expensive? The frame was made of 18 karat gold. The Flora glasses are also popular because of the diamonds that even add beauty to this already luxurious item. In number 3 in our list here comes Maybach, the Diplomat One. Luxury cars and luxury accessories go hand in hand. It has been proven by several brands over the years, including Bentley. In fact, this is what Maybach banked on. Maybach is a German car company established in 1909. The car company has been known for their expensive luxury cars. Similar to Bentley, Maybach explores the sunglass industry more recently with a reputation of being a luxurious brand. They have made the Maybach the Diplomat One. The Diplomat One was a limited edition sunglass made for collectors. Only 50 pieces were released by the company. Each Diplomat One has an 18K gold frame embedded with 147 diamonds on it, pegged at $60,000. This is an item for serious collectors and car lovers. In number 2 in our list, here it comes Clique Gold 18 karat gold sports sunglasses. Clique Gold is a popular brand in the eyewear industry. With over 3 decades in the industry, they have been known to develop products that involve expensive reading glasses. Over the years, they have banked on expensive reading glasses, but more recently they have been decided to make luxury sunglasses as well. He teamed up with a famous designer named Hugh Power for the 18 karat gold sports sunglass. Both functional and stylish, it carried the brand's reputation for marketing the best eyewear in the market. Each pair is made of pure gold, which even made things more interesting, as unlike products, they were mass produced. Only 100 pairs were made by Clique Gold. Just how expensive is a pair of sunglasses for Clique Gold? For this particular luxury item, it cost almost $75,000. In number 1 in our list, here comes Chopard de Rigo Vision sunglasses. The Swiss brand Chopard de Rigo has been able to hold the record of the most expensive sunglasses in the market. Just what made the Vision sunglass on top of our list of most expensive sunglasses. For this particular item, you have to sell out $480,000. Designed by de Rigo, the Swiss brand decided to make use of expensive 24 karat gold as the main material of the frame of the Vision sunglass. In addition to this, it has been dotted with gold to further improve its overall look. As for the company embedded, the manufacturer made use of diamond to make things better. Sunglasses are essential during the summer. Also, its construction was made to help protect your eyes, especially during outdoor activities. However, not all sunglasses are made the same. These are those items that have been made out not only for purpose of protecting one's eyes. Instead, there is the fashion aspect that you have also to consider. There are sunglasses that are known to be luxury items or even collectible items. Also, there are those who purchase the pricey sunglasses for luxurious reasons, embedded with gold, diamond and other precious materials. It goes beyond what is required for sunglasses to become functional. So these are the list of top 10 most expensive sunglasses in the world. If you find this video interesting and helpful to you, do share with your friends and family. And please like this video and do subscribe to the channel for more interesting stuff like this. So see you guys in the next video. So till then, bye.